Hello air signs Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. Welcome to my reading and to my place as Seychelles speaks messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from India. Bharat, namaste. Let's start with your reading and let's begin. Have I told you the date? I don't know whether I missed it in fire sign, I think. It's beyond 23 and so on, okay? 23rd August. All well, all well. So, let's start. For air signs, you are dealing with the fire signs. Some of you. I don't know, these are general vibes. So yes, I know. For some of you, yes, you are. Someone does want to be friends with you. And of course, their interest is just not friendship. Listen to the message that is coming right away. Listen. You listen. Okay. There is someone who is just not going to stop. Oh my god. Look at the fire sign. King of Wands energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so they might be single if they are, or they just don't want you to be single anymore if you are. So there may be emotions. Again, there's also King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces for some cases. However, I feel like there is someone who just not interested in staying friends with you. So if you know this person, there's this versus kind of thing happening in their mind and heart. They want to say something to you. However, this can go from your side as well, because these are general, and can go vice versa. But I kind of get this vibe of like they want to tell you something which is about, I just don't adore you, I kind of like you and love you. Okay, kind of like, you know. Okay, I'm hearing not so many. I'm hearing here, actually I can see the formation of S, but that gave me the energy of like serpent, as if it's like that had the energy of like a bling. Like when the formation is there, it is giving me the vibe of S, and I said, okay, S for what formation? So maybe I'm going to dig deep, but that also gave me the vibe of like serpent or snake kind of energy here, and how it fits you. This is something old awakening. Someone who is waking up and suddenly saying, oh my god, I've been feeling like this, I've been having that clash here in my mind and in heart. I know that I like you, I've been liking you for a very long time. So the crow will appear, okay? The message will appear for some of you. Now let us see. The crow will appear, someone will make a move here. Six of Swords energy, someone will make a move here, okay? So this may be the real trip. Someone is taking a long travel is here, and then finally the destination is here. I see like in the Six of Swords, kind of like tears, emotion, searching for self-harmony here also. So tears dropping and is becoming thought. Tears dropping from eyes and becoming thought, and then you wipe them. Or you can say even some of the tears you don't wipe, but they dry. When they dry, you feel a little bit of itch on your face and near eyes, and then you go wash your face. So to cleanse it, maybe it is required. If it is happening, do it, and do it well, okay? After crying, you're going to feel light, and this is the procedure. If you are feeling that, it is for the reason. Do it, okay? All I see move. Your move, their move, both of your move. Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. I see here long time conversations awaited will what that means, commence, will start. S for something is going in for formation. Something is connected with the status, job, designation kind of energy. Status. This may be the status of friendship, status of marriage. Some status is transforming, okay? It's changing. It's something is happening here. Someone's name starts with S, initials, the first or last letter. You might be dealing or they are dealing with you. Your name itself maybe is with S. Something is going to start, okay? And this is going to be very fast. There's also fire sign, as I said and I showed you earlier, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, for some cases. For some, you need to be very careful who is like snake kind of and is poisonous. Some of them are not, but mostly are. Or who is his is giving you that alert, like so there is someone's presence, if there is. So when I said S formation, what? So maybe there is someone who is taking things continuously, like it's the energy of like continuation of something which is steady. It's going the way it is going, so it's the formation of something that is still here and you don't like it. Possible someone is an intruder, that snake energy. S4. What do you want to say for? Can you tell us what it is? Something is giving you that thought, I have to think because I need to know. You need to know something. My eyes are closed, guys. You need to know something. Let's see the card that flips. I'm having that energy of like, once you visit or you figure out where and what they are doing, you're going to know what the formation is all about. Something might be at stake. Stake, S-T-A-K, supposedly that's the word. It's something that you need to really figure out. I'm going to take these two cards. I don't know whether these or not. Let's see. I heard the word over smart, kind of like taking something is at stake and still doing it, dragging it. Okay? Someone. This may be again Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, who might be trying to keep you in that zone, or someone who is having their own issues is kind of like wanting to contact you here. They feel exhausted, they are possessive, maybe obsessive at times, and they want to have that control over you. Those things that you have already ended, kind of. Okay, you don't want to be dragged in. You don't want to be played on, if you were played on or played by. Someone is figuring out someone's both the sides. It's like, I know you what you are. It's okay, but do not play smart with me, okay, or act smart with me. What's in future? In your present, there's going to be this person, okay? So for some specific, you are dealing with Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces or fire sign. Or there may be, the decision between Aries, Leo, Sagittarius and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And the problem is this energy, possible, who is very curious about you. And they are also playing the game with someone, because if they want to be in contact with you, what the kind of energy is coming, what the hell you are doing with me or with this connection. It's kind of energy, dare not. And then this person is looking at what they ended. Let's see. In your future, it's Six of Pentacles energy. I heard the word how come. Maybe someone is figuring out your contact. Maybe you've changed it. Or how come? Or someone is contacting you and the number is same. But with the Six of Pentacles energy, someone expects you to act or greet them or reciprocate them with them, like from here and there. Like they expect that, I feel, that kind of energy. I'm also getting this vibe of someone who is reading your status or viewing your status. I also see kind of energy who is looking from this small window at you, which is something from like on social media. They are looking at you, but not exactly telling you. They might not be leaving any hint there, which is about, as in viewers, if their name is not appearing, that doesn't mean that they're not looking at your profile or they're not looking at your status. They might be seeing it as in like a small window, like, you know, clicking the picture and seeing it and not letting you know that they're seeing it, kind of energy. Six of Pentacles. Someone who watches you. And I feel this energy is also someone who is good in money, stability. S stands for stability, status also. Maybe it's also about them, because we are reading, you know, for both of you. Or someone you haven't met or you're going to meet. For some cases, it's yet not in the picture. Someone. And this energy is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. For some it is. For some, you know, but you people never spoke in like 10 or 11 years. Straight. Let me tell you that. Straight. And you people stay away. You people been, you know, earning like crazy, driving like crazy, working like crazy. You people don't know both of your side. It's like, what is on the other side, you don't know, because they never said, you never said. Something was never, I feel like it never started because no one dared to do that. And then in here, it's someone who might be looking from the small window kind of energy. And in the future, Six of Pentacles. Let's see what is connected with Six of Pentacles. I'm getting this vibe of like there is some presence, okay? Yet not in the picture possible, but some presence, like of a snake. They move slowly. Someone moves slowly in your area. And this person might be connected with your past, way past possible, or someone from some lifetime that now you're going to sense. Something is going to happen, like the sensation, or like a, you know, not all snakes, again, I said, are poisonous, but that kind of energy which is connected. Let's see Six of Pentacles. What's beyond Six of Pentacles? What is connecting with Six of Pentacles? For Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Hoping, and this card again came, Three of Wands energy. Yet to come. Something yet to enter. This is at a distance. This is what you both desire. This is connected with the ultimate finale, okay? Yet not here. There's going to be something that's going to move. And this meeting may happen unorganized. Meeting with someone, talking with someone, possible. We'll see what is in the future. What is in the future of Gemini, Libra, Aquarius? High desire to connect. I also see you're going to have some meeting with someone in close proximity. How it's portrayed, how it fits you, I don't know. This is something possible, home or room or restaurant, but it's like privacy concerns kind of energy, VIP kind of, or maybe you are, you know, taking everything on rent kind of, or some place which is not crowded. Let's just say that it's not crowded and you can talk to them, you know. This is coming. It's going to happen. I'm also telling you that you will have some meeting with someone in the coming time, which is going to be important. Maybe someone is coming to visit you. And first you're going to receive some letter or message or invitation. Someone is from entertainment industry as well here. You know, a lot of stuff is happening like in entertainment, and how it fits you, that depends. But someone is from entertainment industry as well. And they've worked really, 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 really hard to get to this point. I mean, this may be you, this may be the other energy, this may be both of you. You know, it's like worked really hard, dragged themselves to come to the point where they have things that they won't let go. Okay. Give us the energy. Oh wow. Give us the energy. The love that will come in your life may feel as though, for some cases, misfortune, but it won't be. Or some love that came into life taught you the lesson and it turned out to be like, oh my god, that's a misfortune, but that was learning. Okay. But I feel that the love that will come in your life in this time, or the time frame that I'm saying here, your future call, this is going to be happening as a beautiful presentation. Like you won't expect it. You'll feel like, oh my god, I never thought this. Okay. Oh universe. No, never. It's going to turn into never say never, say never, say never. You might have said that, you might say that. And the person is going to be totally different. S is also connected with their some work, okay? Something connected with their name possible. Something connected with their company, if it is the company they own. It depends, okay? Or you own. What is with us? Anyways, this is someone who is going to love you to the core. Love. Cupid is doing the work. Now resting and the swans are meeting. Love is coming in the future. Definitely. What is with what? What is with what? What is with what? I don't know. S. Formation of S. Someone might be saying secure. So maybe this is coming as security or secure relationship. There is one song in Hindi. Okay, in India, there is one song from the album which is like खुद को बचाए रखना, खुद को बचाए रखना, जब तक कि मैं ना आऊं. I've been speaking for so long that my throat is feeling not that well while singing. So this song means that keep yourself secure. Do not kind of like don't be open to someone. Don't give yourself to someone unless and until I come. Okay, this song that means that, and you can listen to full song, but this song has those precious moments. The person comes and she never realizes it, and then he is the person who is from entertainment industry again, and I just remembered that he's like artist or the star, and then she prepares flowers and everything, bouquet and everything, and then he just is there in her life, and then suddenly everything changes. That's the storyline there. Look, Knight of Cups is coming. Your person, your bond is going to come. That's going to be the next season and phase of your life, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Your life will be filled with love. Knight of Cups. It's okay if you cry. Maybe some of you will have the meeting, and that's why out of love, security, expression, emotions, you are going to have those tears. And the reason is you won't believe that this is happening. Okay? Oh God. Ace of Wands energy. This friction, which is going to be good for you, will cause fire, and the fire is going to be passion. Ace of Wands energy. This is about, what? This butterfly. Supposedly it's giving me the vibe of monarch. So it's about transition, chrysalis, change, and this is about migration, a time of change. Ace of Wands is ultimate passionate relationship as well, and Ace of Wands is my karma card. Your karma will depend upon what they are going to offer, and that's going to be the offering. You're going to be free, you're going to be loved, and you're going to feel light, okay? That's the Fool energy. Let's hope for the best. Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.